proper brake caliper refurbishment. We're going to be going from this to this with our proper professional brake caliper refurbishment service. Let's get to it. So here's the standard brakes. This is a Jaguar F-Type. I think someone's maybe tried painting these black, or were they black from factory? Who knows, but they're a bit flaky and horrible, and yeah. And then on the back, we've got some corrosion, which is looking, well, not very attractive as well. As well as this, we're potentially risking further problems with our braking system, such as caliper drag, or even worse, a complete seizure. So, firstly, we've got the vehicle on our inspection lift, and the lads are going to remove the brakes from the car. So the process takes around 1 week on average. So while the vehicle is off the road for 1 week, we're also going to refurb the alloy wheels. So we'll be taking the tyres off the rims, the valves out the rims as well. And again, these are shot blasted, acid dipped, and then repowder coated in your chosen colour. Loads of different colours to choose from. Should we find a cracked rim, we can weld it, but we prefer not to. It's customer's own risk. And should we find a bent rim, we may be able to bend it back. Again, customer's own risk, because you risk it cracking trying to bend it back. But there are some options, and they can work if need be.
Hello, Poochie. We putting in the night shift? Yes.
Now that we've removed the brake calipers from the car, we're grinding off any corrosion and cleaning them up ready for powder coating. We are finishing the castings smooth for a superior finish over the factory one once complete.
It's usually okay to reuse the piston and seals like we're doing here.
However, in some cases, we may need to replace these at an extra cost. Beyond just being aesthetically pleasing, servicing your brake calipers can result in prolonged brake life, less sticking, better braking performance, and less binding, all of which makes your car safer and helps it retain its value. Here we are disassembling the calipers down to the bare metal before we install our protection kit for acid dipping, shot blasting, and powder coating.
Now that they're ready, we first acid dip and shot blast our calipers, which you can see here. We then mask them up in high temperature tape, ready for powder coating. Once powder coated, we apply lacquer to get our final finish. In this case, we have some beautiful lime green ones. These look mega.
So here's a set of our calipers that have been freshly powder coated. So we've removed these from the vehicle, fully stripped them down from the pistons, sliders, all the seals, etc. And then they've been shot blasted to remove all the dirt and corrosion and horrible stuff like that. Any rough faces that are shown towards the outside of the road wheel, we tend to sand smooth to give it a nice finish. And then we protect the whole thing using our own little kit that we've made and various masking, powder coat them in the chosen colour, and they come back like this, ready for rebuild, reassemble and bleeding. Also on the back, we've got these. These are our oversized aesthetic rear caliper plates, and basically, rather than the small existing plate that goes on, we've got an oversized one, and it looks a little bit more presentable through the road wheel. On top of that, we'll install some decals made in-house to the customer's taste, and then give it a quality check, wipe down, road test, job done.
Our process is very thorough and time-consuming, and that's why we achieve a very professional and long-lasting finish that will look good for many years to come, as you can see here.
So this customer's opted for new pads and discs while we're there, as well as it was getting a little bit worn. There's the nice new pads, plenty of meat on there. The discs have come with painted edges, which is always a nice finish to have. And as you can see, the pads are not painted. Paint has not been transferred onto areas we do not want, yet we have full coverage of the caliper. So we've got the bleed nipple points nice and paint free, as well as the hydraulic connections, as well as all the rubber and plastic parts. So you wouldn't really know that it's not factory, it just looks really, really good condition. There's the alloy wheels done. Customers opted for black. Does look a bit more sporty, doesn't it? Tyre on and rebalanced. And on the back here, as you can see, we've got the oversized aesthetic caliper plate with new decals and some nice new stainless steel screws through the wheel. That looks absolutely lovely, doesn't it? And this is how the fronts look through the road wheel. Fresh as a daisy. And they're going to look like that for a long time. We've done these transfers or decals in a nice metallic silver. Sometimes white looks nice with red brakes. If you go for a more pale colour like perhaps yellow brakes, then I'd suggest black logo or writing instead. And you can have pretty much whatever logo or writing you want. The only thing I'd advise is the more intricate it is, the more sort of easier it would be to damage it with a jet wash. But at the end of the day, if you do damage it, it's quite easy just to transfer another decal straight on there, no problem at all. So the customers opted for Jaguar as original on these ones, but of course you could have whatever you like.
And whatever colour you like too.
And it's not only Jaguars we do.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you found the video interesting and informative. If you'd like to check out some of our other tuning projects, please do. Click subscribe on our YouTube channel, Raptor Customs, and there's over 100 videos on there. Lots of tuning projects within. Hope you go and watch and enjoy. And we'll see you on the next video. Raptor baby!